Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Nationwide for 401k rollover and retirement statements, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Nationwide. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page has loaded, locate the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. If you have an existing account, enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. After entering your credentials, double-check for any typing errors. If you are satisfied with your entries, click on the Login button. If you do not have an account yet, look for the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your credentials if needed. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the 401k rollover section. Look for a menu or tab labeled Retirement or Accounts. Under this section, select the option for 401k rollover or retirement. You should now see your account details and statements. Feel free to explore additional resources available to manage your retirement accounts. When finished, ensure to log out from your account for security purposes. Click on the Logout button, typically found in the top right corner. Close your browser once you have completed all your tasks. You have now successfully logged in and accessed the necessary information regarding your 401k rollover and retirement statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.